BSc Part 3, a respected listener, a very good morning and welcome all of you to today's lecture. Dear students of BSc Part 3, I am going to deliver today very special and amazing lectures. Title, mention on the blackboard kinds of the spectrum. First of all, I bring to draw your kind immediate notice and focus on our previous lecture. The lecture I have mentioned on the blackboard here, taken from BSc Part 3, Paper 3, Physical Chemistry, chosen from that is of Unit 3rd, titled as that is of spectroscopy. Let us go back. But firstly, in order to explain the today's lecture kinds of the spectrum here, in which we were expressing about the definition of that is of spectrum and its further classification. That is, spectrum further is classified, that is of emission and that is of absorption spectrum. Emission spectrum, it can be produced by using highly energy possessing substance here, while that is of absorption spectrum can be produced here by using a low possessing substance here, and further classification dependent upon that is of continuous and that is of discontinuous, that is of spectrum here. Once again, I repeat, the continuous spectrum which are produced by means of that is of diffusing position of various colors, vigor, overlapping, and it is impossible to identify, to separate, because all these vigor that is of colors can be produced in that is of mixed form here. And second one, yesterday's lecture we have also defined about that is of discontinuous. This discontinuous spectrum, that is of discontinuous spectrum can be separated very easily, can be identified very easily. These spectrums are present in the form of that is of parts here, and on the behalf of various colors, simple and that is of schematic diagram, the fundamental distinction and difference between continuous and discontinuous spectrum we have explained in the classroom, we have delivered in the classroom yesterday. Now let us go deeper, and that is the deepest here, that is the further classification of discontinuous into that is of linear, which is also known as that is of atomic spectra. Second one, that is of band or that is of molecular spectra. Dear students, it is evident from the linear, with the nomenclature of linear, obviously linear spectrum will be produced, will be obtained here by using that is of atomic species here. Atomic species here must be present either in that is of gaseous phase or that is of vapor phase also. In other words, we can say that is of linear spectrum is produced by using that is of atomic gases or that is of atomic vapor species here. Second one important postulate regarding to that is of linear, that in emission spectra it has been observed on blackish that is of surface. It has been observed on blackish sphere to obtain as that is a glow or shining lines, and in the case of that is of absorption, it has been observed that on glow surface to that is of blackish line, just reciprocal of that is of emission spectra. I meant to say, in that is of on blackish surface, glow lines, shining lines, pellets will be produced here, will be obtained here in the case of that is of emission spectrum, while in the case of that is just reciprocal absorption, that is of on that is a glow bands, on glow lines, on glow regions, that is of blackish lines will be produced here. Second one, that is of band or molecular spectrum. Dear students, it is evident from the nomenclature with the name of band, this spectrum is produced by using that is a molecular species here. Next one postulate, these spectrums can be here. Here that is of this spectrum produced by that is of molecules here. Molecules must be present in the form of that is of liquid or in that is of solution form here. I mean to say, linear spectrum is produced here, obtained by using that is of atomic species here. On the other hand, that is of band spectrums are produced on the behalf of that is of a molecular spectrum, molecular species here. Molecular species here too should be present in the form of that is of liquid and that is of solution. Now very fundamental topics, next topic of this unit we are going to deliver today, that is of selection rule for that is of linear and that is of band spectra. Dear students, first of all, may I have your attention please. Selection rule in spectroscopy to play the important role to define the various spectrums region in the form of electromagnetic wave, electromagnetic, that is of radiation. Students generally confuse about that is of selection rule here. What do you mean by that is of selection rule here? In spectroscopy, various parameters, state variables, various formula, expression, and various that is of quantum mechanically and spectroscopically parameters must be considered in order to apply the various kinds of the regimes, ultraviolet light, infrared, FIR, NIR, visible. So it becomes essential these such overall rules and regulation to apply for the implementation for that is of spectroscopy. Such important rules are known as that is of selection rules here. First of all, let us apply the selection rule for that is of the linear, and that is of here, that is of here, that is of band spectrum. The important condition in order to apply same that is of orbitals here, I mean that is of SS, PP, DD, same orbitals. I think this condition will be applicable as that is of forbidden transitions. Next one, that is of opposite orbitals are in position of acting or operated here, SP, PD, HD. So these, according to the point of view selection rule of spectroscopy, it will be that is of allowed transition of the electrons here, when we will provide the heat energy to the systems, to the substance here. The migrations, that is the transition of the electrons, one can consider by using here fundamental on the behalf of here, that is of selection rule here. So selection rule, two important conditions, that is of same orbital, it will be classified as that is of orbital, that is of a transition. I mean to say that is of same SS, PP, DD. In coming timings, we will deliver in excess by drawing the particular spherical schematic diagram and photographs here. Similarly, opposition or opposite orbitals, it will be that is of by means of selection rule will be classified that is of allowed transition here. So dear students, in coming timing we will define, we will derive very special lecture. Till then, thank you very much.